guys, and welcome to another video of Diamond Trading. My name is Daniel, and today, guys, we're going to do an update on MGC Pharmaceuticals Limited, ticker symbol MXC. Currently on the London Stock Exchange. Is also on the Australian exchange. It's originally an Australian company, but we have it on the FTSE. This is a company I've done a review on a couple of months ago. It's a penny stock. It's a pharmaceutical company, as it suggests, and it specializes in cannabinoids. Okay, so cannabinoids. This is a company that I do have in my portfolio, and I have not sold it. Okay, so I'm bringing this up to light because one of my viewers most recently has asked me if this company is still a buy. So yeah, we're going to go into it and have a look to see if it's still a buy. Now, first things first, before I go into it, I'm not a financial advisor, so anything I say in this video is of my own opinion. I've also done the review, guys, a review on this company, so I'm not going to go into the details of what this company does. You can check that in the first video I've done. I'll leave a link in the description down below. So what we're going to do is we're going to go in and have a look at the news and to see if it's still an investment. Okay, so first of all, let's have a look. Let's go in and have a look at the news. So this is the most recent news that's been received recently. This is actually 3 days ago. So this is actually exciting and worrying at the same time. I'm more excited than I'm worried. MGC Pharmaceuticals in trading halt, pending announcement by the company on MXC. So MXC is one of their products they have. In fact, it's the product. It's a product which I believe is going to get them very far. And the halt actually is actually been the halt has been actually on the Australian exchange, not on the FTSE, from what I understand. So its securities will remain halted until the start of normal trading on Monday, the 10th, or until an announcement was released to the market. Okay, so MGC Pharmaceuticals has been granted a trading halt by the ASX ahead of the release of a company announcement on further findings on MXC. Now, I don't know. My first initial thinking is this is good news. Okay, so I could be misinterpreting it. I could be thinking this is wrong. There's something wrong here. But I would imagine it's something good. I can't imagine it to be something bad. They did already have good announcements in the past related to this product. So yeah, this is actually quite interesting. So yeah, let me know what you think. The company's securities will remain halted until the start of normal trading on Monday 10th, which is actually tomorrow, or until an announcement is released. Okay. Recently, the company received a $1 million wholesale order from Swiss firm PharmaCann for MGC's proprietary MXC rescue supplement, which is being used by COVID-19 patients to support recovery. So guys, let's have a think of this. Now, reading that, would it be something to worry about? No, because if you just have a big company, a big Swiss firm called PharmaCann that has just received an order, they've just received an order for them for $1 million. I don't think it'd be something to worry about, right? Unless it could be the complete contrary. It could be that something is really bad, and it's not. But so far, I'm liking what I'm seeing. Under the terms of the 3-year master agreement, SPC is required to order a minimum quantity of 40,000 wholesale units per quarter, which has already been achieved for the second quarter of 2021 following receipt of the order. MGC Pharma has existing food supplement manufacturing capacity in Slovenia to produce this and any subsequent orders it may receive from SPC this quarter. So the next bit of good news. So this is in relation, I've done it the other way around. Now this is in relation to the first bit of news. So this is on Friday the 7th. So it's actually 2 days before recording this video. Today's the 9th of May. So it's actually on the 7th on Friday. MGC Pharmaceuticals shares boosted by latest MXC results in COVID-19 study. The mechanism of action MXC is focused on the anti-inflammatory effect and prevention of cytokine storm. MGC Pharmaceuticals has announced the results of a phase 2 clinical and preclinical studies of Artemisy and its use in relation to COVID-19. The company noted that the studies evaluated by the efficacy of Artemisy on anti-inflammatory agents for increased cytokine, I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, cytokine, which is found in different variants and mutations of COVID-19 and post-COVID-19 syndrome. Okay. Specifically, it said that the mechanism of action of Artemisy is focused on the anti-inflammatory effect and prevention of cytokine storm, which is believed to be the main reason for mortality in COVID-19 patients. Whoa. Okay, so this is actually big news, guys. This is big news. So, most recently, their March quarter results have been quite good. Okay, so this was actually announced on the 8th of on the end of April. So just under a couple of weeks ago. So MGC Pharmaceuticals has completed arguably its best ever quarter. Okay, with a London Stock Exchange listing and record sales, highlighting a busy period. The European-based biopharma company developing and producing phytocannabinoid derived medicines released its March quarter report this morning. Okay, so the break even on the horizon. The CEO is called Robbie Zoma, and again I covered this in my first video, a little bit of an interview with him with one of the news companies, so you can have a look at that. This has been a historic quarter for MGC Pharma, following our listing on the LSE, on the London Stock Exchange, along with record sales for our proprietary pharmaceutical products. He said, MGC Pharma is well positioned for the future with clinical trials for Can-Appeal and Cogni-Can due to begin in the coming quarter, alongside phase 3 clinical trials for Siemetra, which have the potential to treat many resulting people suffering as a result of COVID-19. So this is good. This is really quite an interesting one as well, because actually on phase 3. So again, this is another interesting and exciting product they do have. Again, I'm not going to go into the details of these products, guys. You can look at the first video and have a look on those. So financial boost, so that's giving it a good financial boost. It means during the period, MGC Pharma has actually raised £6.5 million from institutional and high net worth investors to become the first medicinal company to list on the London Stock Exchange. I say no more, guys. This is really looking really quite exciting. I'm quite excited about this, and people ask me, is it still a buy? Oh yeah, of course it's still a buy. Again, this is a company that is growing, has a lot of potential, and again, I say it again, it still remains a risk as it's a penny stock. When it's talking about penny stock, we're looking at very, very little. So let's go and have a look at price. So price action, there's not enough data really to start to use technical analysis. There's not enough data because, I mean, this has come out to the London Stock Exchange on the 9th of February. So it's 9th of May today. So yes, 3 or 4 months is really not enough to justify enough information. Our simple moving averages and our exponential moving averages are sort of difficult to look at. RSI, again, the RSI is not saying a lot, and at the same time as well, for the last from March until today, so the last 2 months, there has been no, if not very little volume on this company. So we could start to see volume on Monday. We'll see. This will be exciting. This pattern, really, I've done this pattern, but this is really it's not saying anything, because this is usually, if you come in from up above, this would be like a flag. But again, we don't have prices here, so it's not an indication. But I would like to see. I like this candle here. So this is actually the day chart. If we have a look at the hour chart, probably in the hour chart, we'll start to see something a little bit different. So the day chart, the hour chart, a little bit different. So we can start to look a little bit more on a technical analysis here on an hourly basis, and it's looking quite good. It's looking quite good indeed. We do have these levels at 3.5, okay, as a support level. But again, we broke out on 6th of May. We've had this breakout which could be new levels. So we could see a nice consolidation level here. And again, like I said, I'm not going to look too much into technical analysis because there's not enough data really to be having a look. I just know that for the future, this is going to be exciting, and we could see levels, high levels, if the news starts to get around. So if investors get on to seeing about this, because there's hardly anyone that's ever covered this company, this could actually be exciting, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Are you investing? Are you already an investor? Or now that you've seen this review, are you thinking about investing? Let me know in the comments down below, guys. I'd love to hear. Guys, if you like this video, make sure you give me a big like. That really helps my channel grow. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button to see more videos of this type. Guys, thank you for watching, and speak to you soon. Take care now. Bye-bye.